This is the
Today marks another historic moment for our great party, the APC, in its continuing efforts to rejig itself for greater tasks at the next level we all aspire to attain. As you are aware, the successes and achievements of our great party, like any other organization, is a function of good leadership. And that has been our secret all these years, good leadership. Again, as you are aware, there is a vacuum in that leadership of our great party which has led us to election victories and successful transition following the resignation of the former chairman, Senator Abdullahi Adamu. In the effort and genuine desire to sustain these initiatives for good governance, the Progressive Governors Forum of our party, under the chairmanship of Governor Hope Uzodinma, recently decided to act swiftly in endorsing a candidate so as to avoid any leadership gap or vacuum in the party. They did that also in their wisdom and in line with the approval of the leader of our party, President Bola Tinubu, on the candidate of choice. On the candidate of choice, emphasis. That candidate is none other than the former governor of Kano State, His Excellency Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje. I'm of the opinion that they have weighed his leadership capacity, commitment, and experience to lead the party well before taking this decision. It is not surprising, therefore, that since the Progressive Governors Forum endorsed and announced Ganduje's candidature, many political interest groups have similarly endorsed him to lead the party in an acting capacity. We gathered here today as representatives of elders of the party from North Central Zone are here today in continuation of the series of endorsements of Abdullahi Ganduje to also endorse him. As you can see, we represent different elders groups of the party in the zone. Of the series of endorsements, ours is one of the most significant. Because we are all from the same zone, geopolitical zone, with the former national chairman, Abdullahi Adamu, who resigned recently. He did his best to ensure the party won our elections. So we commend his efforts. But we are concerned at this moment with merit, quality, and continuity in leadership for our party. We are in no doubt Dr. Ganduje will play that chairmanship role very effectively in an acting capacity. For these reasons, we hereby collectively endorse Dr. Ganduje to chair our great party to continue where Abdullahi Adamu stopped in steering the ship of the party until substantive leadership positions are filled at the next convention in line with the party's constitution. We implore all concerned, and the media particularly, to share in our collective desire for him to succeed, for the party to succeed, and for the interest of Nigeria. Thank you for your attention. God bless our party. Amen. And God bless Nigeria. Amen. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Colleagues, the floor is open. Do we have any question? I think I should take the first one. Your Excellency, may we know whether the zone is particular in, you have interest in a particular position? Some are saying the Deputy National Chairman should come to the zone. Are you of this opinion?
I have no opinion on this issue for now, because these decisions were taken at the highest level. The President and the progressive governors, they took this decision. And this decision is on acting capacity. So I have no position, I have no opinion on this until it is time for the party to conduct convention in future. Then it is only that time people can start having opinions as to what they want. But we want to quickly fill the gap that is existing now, so that our party will not suffer.
Do you have any other questions? Wanda, yes, okay. Thank you very much. We want to appreciate you.